Military technologies that are on another level. In the rapidly evolving landscape of modern warfare, the race for technological superiority is more intense than ever. The term, military technologies that are on another level, encompasses a wide array of innovations that are reshaping the way armed forces operate. Let's delve into some of the most groundbreaking advancements in military technology and their potential impact on the battlefield. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, dominating the skies. Unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones, have emerged as a game-changer in modern warfare. These autonomous aircraft, equipped with advanced surveillance and combat capabilities, provide a strategic advantage to armed forces. The integration of AI algorithms allows for precise targeting and reconnaissance, minimizing collateral damage. Drones come in various shapes and sizes, from small quadcopters used for reconnaissance to larger, armed UAVs capable of carrying out precision strikes. Their versatility and ability to operate in high-risk environments make them an indispensable asset for military operations. Moreover, the development of swarming technology, where multiple drones collaborate and coordinate their actions, opens up new possibilities for overwhelming adversaries and conducting complex missions with enhanced efficiency. Hypersonic missiles. Unprecedented speed and precision. Hypersonic missiles represent a paradigm shift in missile technology. Capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, these projectiles offer unprecedented precision and near-instantaneous strike capabilities. Their agility and range make them a formidable tool in both offensive and defensive scenarios. The unique capabilities of hypersonic missiles render traditional defense systems inadequate, as they can traverse vast distances in a matter of minutes, leaving little time for interception. This technology challenges established doctrines and necessitates a re-evaluation of defensive strategies. Furthermore, the potential for maneuverability during flight provides an additional layer of unpredictability, making it exceedingly difficult for adversaries to anticipate or counteract these high-speed threats effectively. Directed energy weapons, DEWs, the future of firepower. Directed energy weapons harness the power of concentrated energy beams, including lasers and high-powered microwaves. These weapons boast limitless ammunition, reduced logistical demands, and incredible accuracy. DEWs have the potential to revolutionize air and missile defense systems, offering a more sustainable and cost-effective solution. The absence of physical projectiles eliminates the need for resupplying ammunition, significantly extending operational endurance. Additionally, the speed of light ensures near-instantaneous target engagement, enhancing the effectiveness of defensive measures. Moreover, DEWs have the capacity to engage multiple targets simultaneously, providing a formidable advantage in scenarios involving swarming threats or saturation attacks. This capability increases the defensive capabilities of military forces against evolving and diverse threats. Next-generation stealth technology. Evading detection. Stealth technology has seen remarkable advancements, enabling military assets to operate covertly in contested environments. From aircraft to naval vessels, these systems reduce radar cross-sections, making them exceedingly difficult to detect. This technological leap enhances the element of surprise and strategic advantage. The integration of advanced materials and aerodynamic design principles allows stealth platforms to operate within hostile environments, evading enemy radars and maintaining a tactical edge. Additionally, advancements in electronic warfare countermeasures further enhance the survivability of stealth-enabled assets. Furthermore, the integration of AI-driven predictive algorithms enhances the ability of stealth platforms to anticipate and react to emerging threats, further solidifying their role as force multipliers on the modern battlefield. AI-powered command and control systems, enhancing decision-making. Artificial intelligence is playing a pivotal role in optimizing command and control structures. Advanced algorithms process vast amounts of data, providing commanders with real-time insights for informed decision-making. This augmentation of human capabilities enhances operational efficiency and situational awareness. AI-driven decision support systems analyze data from various sources, including sensors, reconnaissance assets, and intelligence reports, to provide commanders with a comprehensive and up-to-date operational picture. This enables more rapid and informed responses to dynamic and complex battlefield scenarios. Moreover, AI algorithms have the capacity to predict enemy intentions and adapt to changing situations, improving the overall agility and adaptability of military forces. This ability to dynamically adjust strategies and tactics based on real-time information provides a significant advantage in fluid and unpredictable environments. Cyber warfare capabilities, the silent battlefield. In an interconnected world, cyber warfare has become an integral component of modern military strategies. Sophisticated cyber attacks can disrupt infrastructure, compromise communication networks, and even disable critical systems. Military forces are investing heavily in cybersecurity measures to safeguard against digital threats. Cyber warfare capabilities encompass a wide range of offensive and defensive techniques, including hacking, malware deployment, and network infiltration. These tools are employed to gain intelligence, disrupt enemy operations, and protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. The evolution of artificial intelligence in cybersecurity has empowered military forces to detect and respond to cyber threats in real time. AI-driven security systems can autonomously identify and mitigate cyber attacks, reducing response times and minimizing potential damage. Military technologies that are on another level, pioneering the future. The advancements in military technologies that are on another level are not just about gaining a tactical edge. They represent a profound shift in the nature of warfare itself. As these innovations continue to evolve, so too will the strategies and doctrines guiding military operations. The landscape of modern warfare is undergoing a revolution, driven by the rapid advancement of military technologies. From autonomous drones to hypersonic missiles, and from directed energy weapons to AI-powered command systems, these innovations are reshaping the way armed forces operate on the battlefield. This transformation is not only about gaining a strategic advantage but also about fundamentally redefining the nature of conflict. The integration of these technologies necessitates a re-evaluation of military doctrines, strategies, and tactics to harness their full potential. As we move forward, the continued development and integration of these military technologies that are on another level will undoubtedly influence the course of future conflicts and shape the security landscape of the 21st century. It is imperative for military organizations worldwide to adapt, innovate, and leverage these advancements to safeguard national interests and ensure global security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos.